Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the topic dictionary in detail. So, what is dictionary? The dictionary in Python are the key value pairs. It is like the list, but we have more control over the index in the dictionaries. Just like the list, the dictionaries can also have similar or different data types. So just like the sets, dictionary are unindexed. And in dictionary, we need to create our own index for each value, which is called keys. This is the syntax for the dictionary. The dictionary is defined using the curly brackets. We use the colon to separate the key and the value pairs. We use comma to separate the different key value pair objects inside the dictionary. Now we will look into an example to have a better understanding about the dictionary. In this example, we have created a dictionary called D, which has three objects. K1 is the key for the value 1, and K2 is the key for the value 2, and 10 is the key for the value T. If we have a dictionary and we want to know only the keys from the dictionary, then we use the function called dot keys to display the keys. We mention the dictionary name and use the dot operator and call the function keys. Once you run this function, the Python interpreter will display all the keys for this dictionary D. So the K1, K2, and 10 are the keys for the dictionary. If we have a dictionary and we wanted to display only the values inside the dictionary, in that case, we use the dictionary name with the dot operator and call the function called values. This function will display all the values in the dictionary D. Once you run this program, the Python interpreter will display the value 1, 2, and T which are present in the dictionary D. And if you wanted to display the value based on a specific key, for example, I wanted to know what's the value for the key K2. In that case, I will use square brackets and mention the key name. When I print, the Python interpreter will tell what is the value for the key K2 in the dictionary D. Let's check it out. It is 2. I believe you guys understood the topics of dictionary in detail. See you guys in the next video.